Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, y'all hungry, yeah, talking about what y'all won't eat. You wanna make a bet, home cooked meals, hold on to your seat. It's Nana the Saucy Chef, now let's eat.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making taco macaroni. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1.5 cups of milk, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of beef broth, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 small onion diced, 2 3/4 cup of dry macaroni, 3 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with mild chilies, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. To a large heated skillet, we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you want that to come to temperature. Now you want to add in your red bell peppers and also your onion, and we're going to saute that for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you want to begin to add in your ground beef. Now you want to go ahead and break down your ground beef. You want to make sure it's mixed in well with your onion and red peppers. And we're going to continue to cook it until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to drain it of all excess grease. Once you drain your ground beef, you can now add in your taco seasoning. And we're just going to mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our milk, our beef broth, and also our diced tomatoes with chilies. And you want to mix it until it's well combined. And we're going to put our heat on medium-high, and we're going to let it come to a simmer. And guys, while you're waiting for it to come to a simmer, you can go ahead and give it a taste. If you need to add any salt or any more taco seasoning, you can do it now. Once it comes to a simmer, you can add in your macaroni. And we're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now you can put your lid on. You're going to lower your heat to medium-low. We're going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and you want to stir in between. And you want to cook it until your pasta is cooked all the way through. Okay guys, now we're going to begin to add in 2 cups of our cheddar cheese. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it until all the cheese is melted. Once all your cheese is melted, now you want to go on top and sprinkle the last 1 cup of your cheddar cheese. Now you're going to go ahead and turn your heat off, place your lid on top, and you just want your cheese to melt all the way through. Okay guys, so here we have it, our 1-pot taco macaroni. This is a perfect 1-pot meal, and and you can make it in 30 minutes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?